This is exclusive Panda edition. Late night danger in the streets of New York City and Brooklyn, New York. This video is not sponsored or supported. What you're seeing right now is what's going on in the streets of Brooklyn, New York City.
Get the fuck out of here. And I fucking hate black people right now. I hate all you black motherfuckers.
You hear that? That's coming from a black man in the streets of New York City. Take that with a grain of salt. I'm the ThePandaPhotographer, everyone. Please do subscribe, like, and share the content. If you want to support this channel, please do. It really helps me grow on the platform of YouTube and this diversity of discrimination towards creators when they want to speak the truth and honest truth and transparency, if I'm saying that right, because I'm very transparent. And I'm in Bushwick, the most dangerous part of one of the parts of Brooklyn. And we're doing this in 4K, ladies and gentlemen, and 24 frames a second. Look, there's a chicken and burger place right here. Look at that. Oh my panda. If you're hungry, get some chicken and burgers. I'm a vegan. I don't discriminate. Hey, if that's your food, that's your food. You know? We're just trying to get to my Japanese friend's place so we can get home safely. So with that said, oh my panda, am I shaking so badly that I want to get out of this neighborhood because this neighborhood is so sketchy? Yes, I do want to get out of this neighborhood. It's so fucking sketchy. But first, wipe up this lens. That was a very sketchy part, but we're not over yet. We got 2.3 miles to go. Yes, I walked. What the hell was the problem with walking? Come on, people. You don't walk? I'm sorry. Do you take transportation to be lazy all the time? Oh, you that kind of person. I get you. You want to get where you want to go. I get you. But me, I want to walk this bitch. Seriously. Save some money, get some exercise, live a good life. That's what I'm all about. Oh, look at that. That's kinda... Look at that street. It's like... It's just green. Just green. Anyway, guys, I don't want to keep you up too long. Don't want to make this video too long. But I want to emphasize that I'm walking in Bushwick with a gimbal and a camera. I'm about to get robbed. I know I should not make fun of that, but you know how many times we got robbed? I really do not fucking... I literally wouldn't be surprised. I honestly would tell you. And then I have to fight and show you guys a video where I kick some ass and again. Justice being served by the ThePandaPhotographer in his fist of glory. Yeah, you heard me, bro. Fist of glory. Panda fist. You heard me, bro. We speak no lies. Yeah. You gotta shut down. You gotta shut down. Shut down. No. No. Panda fist of glory. All the way, bro. Sorry. You take over the streets of New York City to show them the Panda Fist of glory. That's how you do it. Nope. Sorry. You got no. I used to run these streets as a rollerblader, as a visitor, as a native. I guess. Can you call me a native if I lived here in and out and got married here and yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, kids ain't nice.
You can think so. Oh wow. You can think so, but who knows? Look how dead and how isolated these streets are. Oh come on. Guys, look at this street. Look at that. We could have took the bus, but we decided to fucking walk. You know why? We are men. Men walk. Men don't take bikes. Men walk. Oh, my panda. Yeah. Why is this light turning steady red? But yeah, you see that shit? That's how you cause accidents. When people do not want to be patient and they think the light is going to change at exactly when the light is supposed to, but it doesn't. This is how people cause accidents in New York City. Be aware of this shit. But nope, you do not want to be aware. Gotta wipe your lens. And it's drizzling. Oh my panda, it's drizzling. Oh, can this gimbal actually be waterproof? Yo, DJI, this is the Osmos 3. Let's get the facts straight. Can this Osmos 3 handle some drizzle? Let's get this. Root test. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get this root test going. Let's test this out. I don't give a fuck I destroyed this gimbal. Osmos didn't pay for this. I did. DJI did not pay for this. I'm sorry. That's what I meant to say. I did. So, if I want to destroy one of their devices, that's on my own obligation. But, yo, this dude has been sleeping here forever. I walked down the street earlier today to get to my friend's studio, which was, oh my panda was damn gorgeous. And I saw this guy there. That's homeless in New York City, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Oh, my panda. I need to stop this video. This is too depressing. I'm sorry.